In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious cornbread muffin recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, half a cup of butter melted, 2 eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. In a bowl, we're going to start by adding in the sugar and the melted butter and mix until the sugar is completely dissolved. Now add in the eggs and mix until completely combined. Add in the cornmeal and the flour. Now add in the salt and the baking soda. Slowly pour in the buttermilk and keep mixing until completely combined. Spray a muffin pan with cooking spray. Use an ice cream scoop to scoop the batter into the muffin tray. Bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Our cornbread muffins are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.